Hey there, fellow food lovers. Welcome to Kitchen Savor with Blessing, your new go to destination for all things cooking a kitchen essential. Today is April 14, 2024. I'm your host, Blessing, and I'm excited to share with you my passion for cooking and good food. In today's video, we're talking about a topic that is close to many of our hearts, feeding our family even when life is getting very busy. Okay, how do we tackle this? We all know the struggle of trying to cook healthy meals for our families, especially when we have busy schedules. Between work, school, and the extracurricular activities, it can be tough to find time to cook, let alone plan and prep meals for the week. But the truth is, cooking for our families doesn't have to be complicated or time consuming. With a little planning and creativity, we can whip up delicious, healthy meals that our families will love and enjoy. So, how can we make meal preps a breeze? Even on the busiest days, here are some few tips that would help you that have worked for me and my family. First, plan your meals for the week ahead of time. Make a grocery list and stick to it. This can be hard, but trust me, it helps cut down time. Prep ingredients in advance, like chopping veggies or cooking proteins. Use one-pot wonders and slow cookers recipe to save time. Keep it simple, with one-dish meals and leftovers. Okay, let's dive in. Here are some family-friendly recipes, ideas that are quick, easy, and delicious. One-pot pasta with tomato sauce and veggies. Slow cooker chicken tacos with all the fixings. Baked chicken and sweet potato fries. Quesadillas with shredded chicken and cheese. So, I do understand that every family have their go-tos. The goal here is to give you ideas that you could tailor into what your family typically likes, and also taking into consideration your cultural preferences. So when I give ideas like slow cooker chicken, tacos, and fixing, if you have something within that same range that is all in one within your cultural preferences, you can also do this. Please feel free to be creative on your own end, picking things that I may not suggest, but is within the line of our ideas. Thanks. So, let me show you what a typical meal prep day looks like for me. I like to prepare ingredients for the week on Sundays. I go to church, come back, and then I start my meal preps. So I'll chop veggies, cook proteins of my choice, chicken, beef, and assemble salads for the next few days. I will also prep breakfast and snacks, like overnight oats and fruit cups. Also, I will make a few one-pot meals that can be reheated throughout the week. So I hope you get the idea. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. I hope these tips and recipe ideas have inspired you to get cooking even the busiest days. Remember, cooking for our families doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning and creativity, we can whip up delicious, healthy meals that our family will love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe buttons and the little bell icon for notification. And I'll see you in our next video. Thank you again.